Hello, profit takers. It's Victoria here. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to install the Profit Taker Alert Dashboard Trade Manager. But real quickly, I want to express my sincere gratitude for those of you who decided to give this 7-day trial a go, and or if you went ahead and committed to being a part of the community. I want to thank you for that. So real quick, guys, once you complete your order on the website, you're going to be able to access the information right away. There's going to be a My Account section that you'll have access to. And in that area, it's going to have the download file available to you. You're going to see your account number that it's locked to, and you're going to see the license key. You're also going to get a follow-up email with on the order details. If for whatever reason you don't get it, then just go back to this here section here. And then you should have instant access to it. All right. But if you have any questions whatsoever, just email us at support@profittakersalerts.com. All right. So what I like to do, guys, I'll just go right to the file section, and I'm going to click the open data folder, and that's going to bring this up. You're going to see MQL4. Click on that. And then the first thing you'll see in that list is the experts. Now, this is the experts training. However, if you have the indicator, it will go in the indicator file. But for this one, make sure it's in the experts folder. Once you get it in the experts folder, it's going to bring you back to your screen. So you're just going to right click on the screen, or perhaps even click here. I just right click on the screen. It brings up this, and then I'll come to the expert section and click properties. Okay, from here, I'm going to tick allow live trading and then allow DLL imports. If you don't tick it, the dashboard will tell you that you need to tick it. Okay, so the next step from here is you're going to copy and paste your license key up here. The symbol section, if your MT4 requires it, then you will then need to add the suffix to the symbol. The easiest way I do this is I copy this and I paste it in a notepad. I add the suffixes to the symbols I want to trade, and then I paste them back in. Okay. Before I complete this and save it, I go back real quickly and I check that this DLL imports is still ticked. Sometimes for whatever reason, it gets unchecked. So check that really quick, make sure it's ticked. And then once you do that, there's a section here that says to save the file or hit OK. I forgot which one it was. But nonetheless, the dashboard should have the expiry date on there, and you'll know that you're good to go. Okay. So overall, guys, this is what the trade manager and the dashboard looks like. Okay. If for whatever reason yours doesn't look quite just like this, there might be a little tweaking you want to do. First, I'm going to talk about if for whatever reason you notice that it is running a little slow. You want to load this indicator on a chart with no other indicators. Now, I do have other indicators on here, and these do not conflict with the actual trade manager. Okay. There were some files that were conflicting with it, and so I had removed them. And as we move forward, we are looking to add more things that are coded actually to the actual EA so that it runs smoothly for you. Okay, but if for whatever reason you notice it's running a little slow, all you need to do is troubleshoot, right? Take off everything else that you have installed and just save this template with just the indicator on there. And if you must install other stuff, just install one at a time to see which one causes the error. Okay, and if you notice that it's that one indicator, just remove it. Okay, you can have 2 separate templates. You can have several templates saved, right? But just keep this one as clean as possible. The other thing with the resolution, if you notice it didn't look just like mine, you can go to your display, go to the system display section and tick on scale and make that 100%. The other thing you want to do is click on your actual icon, right click on it. It's going to bring up the properties. And then you want to go to the compatibility section, right? And then there's for mine was checked. You want to untick this box and then hit OK or apply, whichever. It does the same thing. All right. And then that should bring you to a nice looking resolution indicator. Okay. So now we're going to go over the trade manager. There's 3 things here that you can do to mitigate your risk. Excuse me. You can set your risk based on a fixed amount of lot size. So you can see here we have the lot of 50. Then you can set your limit. You can set sell stop orders. Okay. The indicator is going to automatically do a 25 pip stop loss to a 50 pip target. You can move these as you will, okay, as you want. All right. So the next one is a risk to percent. You can risk anywhere between 1, 2, or 3, 5, whatever capital allows. Okay, we're here for capital preservation, so don't go too crazy. All right, but you can definitely set it for a percentage. As you can see, this is now towards a percent, 2% overall the account. And we have the actual dollar amount. If you want to risk an actual dollar amount, you can do that as well. And that will be your stop loss at that particular amount based on where you plot your targets and whatnot. Well, it's going to automatically plot it for you, but if you want to change it, like I said, you can do it. Now, the other two things that are absolutely fantastic, you can also set your EA to a specific profit target for the day or a daily drawdown for the day. Okay. This is going to lock you out once you're finished so that it keeps you from emotional trading, over trading, right? It keeps you in the game. Okay. Discipline is freedom, guys. And that is what we're here to do, is to make money and to be free. And in order to do that, we have to protect ourselves, our emotions. Okay. And we do not want to go crazy here because, this is a risky game, and we have to mitigate those losses and those risks as much as we can to stay in the game for the long run, if I can say that. All right, guys. That is all the training that I have on this actual installation piece. There is going to be a link below, guys, on the actual different components of the indicator. It's just a PDF. It just takes you through what every single little thing means. And if you have any questions, again, hit us up at support@profittakersalerts.com, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.